All right, YouTube, this is going to be the trade for the PM session for me. Pull 14 ticks. Oops. Looking to enter one tick into this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. We just had a run on the lunchtime highs, tapped into a fair value gap up here. Market structure shift on the 1 minute with displacement, fair value gap left behind. And I'm looking to sell and honestly take out lunchtime lows. Well, let's see if we can get it. This entry might have to look a little bit different if the 5 minute closes and leaves this gap open here, because then we'll shift our entry down a little bit and we'll enter here inside this gap, lining up with this breaker. Stop will basically go in the same place right above this high. Otherwise, yeah, this is what I'm hoping for. Aiming for all this sell side, sell side. There's a lot of sell side actually down here at these lunch lows. On a slightly higher time frame. I'm gonna set a limit for now. 37.25. Yeah, one tick above this high, 375. 15 ticks. Sell limit, boom. Okay. So my sell limit is set. And just to show you guys the sell side liquidity that we have down here. So obviously this low resistance liquidity run on this as well. So all of this basically is what I'm aiming for sell side. So that, we got a gap here. This is also New York open price, so it would make sense for us to go take this out once more. In my opinion, so all is well. But yeah, this 5 minute will close in 3 minutes, so I might move my entry down a little bit on the 5 minute if that ends up being the case. But yeah, 37.25, so 32.25 would be the 5 handle TP1. Might be my only PM session trade, we'll see. I mean, it will be if it's correct. I mean, if we lose, maybe, but to be honest, I'll probably just want to be done. That'll be my 3rd loss on the day, unfortunately, if that ends up being the case. So kind of at that point, just ready to take my losses and move on and accept defeat for the day. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. Just going to move this over. Grab this guy, bring it down. Here's our 5 minute gap. I want to see what this looks like. One tick into the gap. 4.5 handle stop. So yeah, I'm gonna send this in the Discord and tell everyone that they can no. All right, so if I move my stop down to here, yeah, 450. So I still think if we pull up into here, odds are this 1 minute will get hit up here. but that's okay. I'd rather put an extra point of risk on the table than miss out. So that's what I'm going to do. I mean, it's not even a full extra point. It's like 3 ticks extra. It's going to hang out here on the 5-minute since that's where we're seeing this entry from. Might go ahead and screenshot this so I have it ready to go as well. Screenshot the before and after. Like so. I will let the Discord know when I'm in. All right, I'm in. Perfect fill so far, 36.50. So 5 handles is going to be 31.50. That's TP1. Lines up with these lows pretty well. That's 5 handles. Lines up with this inefficiency here on the 5-minute. But yeah, reasonings for the trade. Swept lunchtime highs. We have lunch lows. A lot of sell side liquidity to target. Market structure shift on the 1 through 5 minute. Displacement on the 1 through 5 minute as well. And it looks like we will get that 1 minute gap, most likely re-delivering to the new week opening gap. There we go. See, so being picky would have actually saved me a little bit, 3 ticks, but oh well. If I'm wrong, my belief is that we'll head for the New York AM session highs. This was going to be our target for buys today. Originally, haven't delivered there yet. Sure will absolutely suck to be getting short when we should have been going long, and getting long when we should have been going short. But I have good confidence in all the trades that we took today, and I'm willing to live with the result regardless of how they play out. Not looking good. Unreal, to be honest. Order block's kind of our last line of defense here, in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, if I'm wrong, we're taking out this high and probably these relative equal highs up here. When it rains, it pours. All right, but getting ready to get fucked. So I'm going to go get my screenshot ready before and after. Looks like I'm going to get spanked today. Yep. All right, well, actually, I'll send it quick. All right, well, got spanked today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Peace.